Hello everybody, welcome to the ETABS and SAFE course. Now in this section we will begin to drawing the columns. Now we are in story 1, so to draw the columns we go to quick draw columns. We press here on quick draw columns, we choose the section of the columns defined before, and we will begin to drawing the columns like this. Okay, we select where we want to draw columns. If we want to rotate the columns because we are in this direction, we can go to define section, frame section, to the columns section and modify it. We can replace here the numbers, press OK, then OK, and we can go here to refresh, so we can rotate the columns here. We go to story 1. We can after we draw the columns here and the story 1, we select them and we go to edit, replicate story 2 to 16. Okay, to draw the columns and the other story. We return to story 1. We have draw the columns on story 1. We go to story 2. Here in story 2 and the above story we don't have retaining wall on the edge, so we want to draw columns. We can put here all stories option and draw columns directly on all stories. Okay, so the ETABS draw the columns and the other story, and we can draw the columns and story 2, then replicate them to other story. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next session.